and we've been running around all day. So I'm just gonna show you guys a quick little haul of some of the stuff that we got. So we went to Walmart. I picked up some of this Neomed wound wash, and it's just a sterile saline ready to use solution. This is what my cousin told me to get for my piercings so I can do my little aftercare or whatever. I was supposed to get it yesterday, but I didn't. So yeah, there. So then the next thing I got is this Myleah Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I swear I got this because my cousin just did a routine on her story yesterday and they posted her. I'm like, you know what? You didn't literally inspire me. So I got that. I also picked up from Five Below. We went to Five Below. I went and got another perfume, which is this NYC Blossom. It smells so good. The perfumes are pretty decent for it to be $5. And Babe got one too. She got a, excuse me, this Pink Fantasy one. And I got those Ed Hardy ones, that imitation ones for us from there as well. They're all $5. Oh, what is this? I got these, we also went to Dollar Tree. You guys know we gotta stop at Dollar Trees. So I got these cute snowflakes, and it has like glitter on them. This is the color that we're doing our theme for our Christmas tree. So we're gonna probably put these either in our window or on the door. I don't know exactly just yet because I keep buying stuff, so we'll see. And then I got this cute little thing to hang on our front door, either the one downstairs or when you come upstairs. So I thought that was cute. I got us a thing of elastic hairbands. We got some tissue paper for a gift that we're doing. Babe got another loofah. And then we got 2 shot glasses. We're doing a bridesmaid's gift, actually 2 bridesmaids gifts. So we got one for each of our bridesmaids. So this one is for Babe's bridesmaid, and then this one is for one of mine. So yeah. That's that. Oh, and I got this French style cheesecake mousse, y'all. This stuff is so good from Walmart. I always got to get one. I can't not get one. And then we got some of these Super Plus tampons by Walmart. Yep, I did in the earlier vlog. And then from Five Below, y'all, but we didn't got so much stuff I forgot. I also found another bag. I got this 6-shelf hanging organizer. I got this to go in my closet because I want to take the drawer set that I have in there completely out. And I'm going to put like my underwear, my socks, my tank tops, my leggings, so it can just be easier and more organized because, y'all, my closet gets so out of control. It doesn't make any sense. So I got that. I also picked up this 3-pack of mini resistance bands, and there's 3 different levels. There's a light one, a medium, and a heavy one. So yeah, I picked that up. And the last thing we got.
Put those drawers in there from the other one, like now, because they don't match.
What? Oh, your little things. Yeah. We'll see how it looks. And the last thing we got is the Bean Boozled challenge, you guys. They got new flavors now, and I'm really excited. So me and Babe are going to be doing this for our channel today. So if you guys are not already subscribed to our channel, go and check it out because I know that's going to be funny. And that's everything we got. So now I'm just getting ready to put everything up. We're about to clean up and relax a little bit because we tired. We've been running around literally all day long. So that's that. With some air freshener, so that's like the liquid you're seeing. So I'm just filling it. I'll put some scrub tops here, some leggings here, and I'm probably gonna put like underwear, bras, socks, and something like tank tops here, just so it's like super easily accessible. And I did have it in this little thing, but like I said, I want to use this for something else, and I want it to just be more functional. So yeah.
You up, miss how you put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever real, yeah.
So it is later on Saturday. It's actually about 6:15. Me and Babe just got done filming a video for our. Wow, it's crazy because we did that in the video as well. But we just got done filming the Bean Boozled challenge, you guys. They came out with, this is actually a pretty old challenge, but they came out with some new flavors, and you guys, they were so disgusting, I swear. So if you guys want to see, I pretty much got every single disgusting flavor that there was. So this video is going to be pretty funny, and Babe said we shouldn't even do any edits on it, so we probably won't. I'm gonna post that. I got a couple of things to do, just editing, so I'm probably just gonna do that. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of check in with you guys, let y'all know what's going on. We just cleaned up and just filmed our video. We just got done eating dinner as well. I brought that what do you call it, that drawer set that was in my closet. I brought that in here, and my plan is to either put makeup in there or hair stuff or whatever. I'm going to use that to help organize stuff though, as well as my vanity, and I'm going to bring my acrylic makeup organizer in here as well and put that in there so that my nightstand can be just more like the things I need, like my charger. And I'm going to put my little crystal meditation lamp back in there, because like right now for me to have my makeup in there is just so stupid. If I'm going to do my makeup, it's going to be in here anyway. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm going to do some twists in my hair though, try to moisturize it, and then tomorrow I'm going to do like a oil deep conditioning treatment. I'm going to try to do like a male treatment, like a protein treatment for my hair. So I might show you guys that, film that for you guys. But I'm really excited to use this Myleah Organics leave-in conditioner. I've actually used this line before and I like it a lot, and I have a deep conditioner packet from this line, so I'm going to use that as my base. But I'm going to like bulk it up with a little bit of like banana and mayo, egg, that kind of thing, a little bit of honey. Just really get my hair together. I need to clean my piercings really good. It's actually not bad. The healing process actually is not bad. It did take a while. It's taken a while because I keep forgetting that I have this piercing, so I'll go up and touch it and then it'll be like too late. But otherwise than that, it's not hurting or in any pain at all, as well as my belly button piercing. That is healing pretty well as well. So I'm just excited to be able to actually clean that tonight and just keep myself on track. But yeah, that's what's going on with my hair. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but beyond that, I thought about doing another ponytail or a top knot bun, because I do have like one more bundle of braiding here. And I'm kind of tired of doing wigs, but we'll just see, you guys. I really don't know what I'm going to do just yet. I only got about 6 more days to make it through of CNA work, which after that probably could do a nice silk press on my hair. And it probably could last, because I'll be doing clinic work where I'll be sitting down at a desk and not really like, you know, as hot and up on my feet. But I don't know how long that's gonna last, because I am also trying to work out as well. So yeah, you guys, it's just a whole lot of. So anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys and let y'all know what's going on. I probably won't vlog for the rest of the night. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna do some grocery shopping tomorrow, and then I'm supposed to be having a mall and out to eat date with my sisters. So that will be fun, and then we'll be kind of getting ready for the week. So yeah, that's pretty much that, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoy watching today. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night and goodbye. Wait, where is it now? They know. They probably nasty though. Oh, dark chocolate, of course ain't no. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So I can't remember if I vlogged earlier or not, but it's Sunday. It's about 2 o'clock, a little bit after 2 o'clock right now. It's daylight savings, so actually the clock on our stove usually is ahead, but it's actually right now. We just got back from Walmart. We went and did our grocery shopping for the next couple weeks, so I figured I would show you guys what we picked up, so I can put everything up. I really want to organize like these cabinets, and also our pantry is like super just unorganized, and just get the kitchen together. So I think I'm gonna do that today. I need to run to Dollar General and see if I can find something, like some jars or something that'll help me organize some stuff. We'll just see. Okay, so first thing we got is this Banquet family size Salisbury steaks and brown gravy. This is so good. We like to make this, and we make it with like some bomb sides. So we got that. I got some 3-pound thing of ground beef, and we split this into 3 different pounds and have 3 different meals with that. I got some of these. I've been wanting some of these little smoky, like the little baby shower barbecue hot dogs. So I got these. I might make these today and just have them for throughout the week or something like that. I don't know. But I got those because I just was kind of craving those. I got some Texas toast with the cheese. We're going to have that with our dinner for tonight. I got 2 of these lean cuisine meals to bring with me sometime during work this week. So the first one I got is just Swedish meatballs, 18 grams of protein and 300 calories. And then this one is 5 cheese rigatoni, 4 grams of protein and 360 calories. We got some classic hot dogs. I got some chicken drumsticks. I got a Minute Maid Zero Sugar, the regular lemonade. This is my favorite one. It's so good. We got some more milk. Babe got apple juice, berry punch Minute Maid, as well as she tried out the mango punch. We also got these. Babe loves these, the chewy yogurt bar. She likes the strawberry ones, but they only had the variety pack, and I normally like blueberries, so I'm just going to try those out. We also got a 24 count of buttermilk waffles, 2 things of these rice sides, the cheddar broccoli ones. These are our favorite, but they did change the packaging. So yeah, I got 2 of these sparkling ice zero sugars, one of my favorite drinks as well to take to work. I also got some Red Bull. I don't know, I was just really wanting some while I was there. We got some panko breadcrumbs because Babe needs these to make a dinner that she's cooking this week. And then also I want to try to make some fried pickles. I seen a TikTok, so I think I'm gonna make some. I might make them today, y'all. I don't know, we'll see. But if I do, it'll be in the vlog. I picked up, this isn't food, but this is the only thing I got for the kitchen. And that's not food, it's an Airwick oil diffuser, and it's really good. I got it in fresh linen. It's only like $3. We got one for our bathroom to see how it works. It works pretty good. Got this for Babe. These are just the caramel cappuccino mixes that you can put in the Keurig. Oops. And then we got some of this Bigelow green tea with lemon so that we can drink before bed, because we're kind of both trying to fight a little cold. So yeah, I got a twin pack of the Stroganoff hamburger helper. We got this nacho flavored taco kit for tacos. Our favorite chips of the moment, the hot Ruffles. And I was really craving some of the Captain Crunch, and I really like the ones that just have these ones in it without the berries. Let me know, comment down below if you guys like those. And then over here we got some cuties, some bananas. These are some noodles Babe wanted, the regular ones. We needed some more vegetable oil. I got this because I wanted the Sprite with cranberry. I love it. I love cranberry juice and I love Sprite, so I love the holiday mixture. But they actually have it in zero sugar, and it was crazy because while we were at Walmart, Babe was like, dang, they have everything in zero sugar now. But she was actually talking about the Reese's and that chocolate thing I showed you guys when we were standing in line. I'm like, yeah, they really are. So I'm trying to get as much zero sugar as I can to be good. But yeah, so I tried that out. I think that'll be pretty good. We needed some more sliced cheese. We got this Kraft Singles. I got a cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, thing of Velveeta shells and cheese. We needed some more cream because it's hot coffee season, the caramel macchiato. This is what I'm making for dinner tonight. This is a great, quick, really good flavorful meal that if you don't feel like doing anything, and serve with some garlic bread and some salad, you're good to go. So yeah, this is the Zatarain's blackened chicken Alfredo. I told you guys about this all the time, every time I get it. And then these other noodles I got, I love the hot and spicy ones that are cups. We also got some Hormel hot chili with no beans, as well as some French style green beans, a thing of Sara Lee honey wheat bread, and some ballpark honey hot dog buns, not honey, hot dog buns for our chili dogs. So that is everything that we got, y'all. Now I'm just getting ready to clean the fridge out and put all this stuff away, and then figure out what my game plan. I'm gonna actually probably cook too, and then figure out what my game plan is going to be for cleaning out this cabinet and my pantry, because yeah, it needs to be cleaned for sure. Y'all made the fried pickles from TikTok, and these are so good. Babe, try one. This all I use: pickles, egg wash, flour, and the panko breadcrumbs. So good. Tastes like the restaurant.